In this video tutorial, what we're going to do is, now that we've created 3 separate buttons, and again, on thebuttonfactory.com, you can make them different colors, different fonts, or whatever you want to do. However, we're just doing it really basic. So now that we've established our buttons, now that we've established the video, whether it's writing or whether you're just putting in written text on your page, on your home page, what action is it that you want people to take? So with that understood, we are at our home page again. We're going to put our mouse down right below the video. And once we put our mouse right down below the video, we are going to center it, because what we want to do is insert a button that calls for direct action. Now, the video should call for direct action, but let me say this, that isn't quite necessary. A lot of times what you will find, depending upon your industry, is you could just introduce yourself, you can introduce your company, whatever it is, and just kind of show your personality. We blindly believe in what we teach in other courses, which is personality-based marketing, but it has to end somehow with a direct call for action. And not only that, the page on your website where you want them to take action. So let's go ahead and insert our button. And what we want to do again is we want to put our mouse below the video or below your final written text, whatever that is. And what we want to go to is add media. Our file isn't there yet, so we want to upload file. We want to select file. And we'll begin with our favorite, which is Buy Now, and we will upload this button image. Same rules apply. Now, there are 2 ways that you can assign a path to another part of your website where people can complete the action you are telling them to take. The first is right here on any image. The alignment is center. You can go to your link to, you could left click, drop this, and you could send them to a custom URL or a custom page on your website. So with that, we're saying buy now. So what that would mean is, for this sort of website anyway, we would have to take them to our services page. And all you have to do is take that out and paste in the link. We strongly suggest you copy and paste the whole link besides trying to fill it in. So once we drop this down, we notice that there's not different sizes, but with some images you upload, there will be different sizes. So just use the size you are most comfortable with. So now that we've done that, we want to go ahead and insert that into our page, and it appears right here. So we'll kind of bring it up a little bit, and we'll show you, we'll update our page, of course. And once we update our page, we will go back to that particular page, wherever it is on your website, and we will go to our home page, and we will observe the button. And what we are really testing for is the functionality of that button. So with that, the Buy Now button is here. So, and you assigned a path on a different part of your website. So just left click and make sure that that link is working. So we'll quickly build, just some mock services in this page just so you can see how that looks. But you have to make sure that that button is working, and that button is working. So when we go back to the page, there's another way for you, and we'll go ahead and we'll delete that button out just so you can see the process from the beginning. We'll add the button and show you the second way that you can insert a link. So now that we have uploaded that particular button, if you remember, that image is going to be in our media library. So we're going to click on our media. We're going to click on our media library, which does it. There it is. So we will click on the Buy Now button. And again, it's a media file, so it's reverted back to the default setting. So we'll insert that button. Now, here's a second way that you can use your HTML or your what you get editor here. You can left click on the image make sure it's highlighted. You go to this little link, and then once we hover, it says insert edit link. That's what it's for. We'll highlight that. We'll backspace and take the library file out, and we will paste in the same link to take them to our services page. So we'll go ahead and we'll update. We hit update there. We'll hit update here. And once again, each button or page, you just want to test it, and we've shown that throughout. So we refresh the page with the same button, a different insert link style. We'll click on it, and as you can see, it's going straight to the page that we want it to go to, which is our services page. Now, with that done, when we come back in the next video, we'll just give you a few more